In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Hostinger Website Builder to WordPress. This quick guide will help you smoothly transition your website to WordPress without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Hostinger account. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger homepage. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your hosting account. So, if you haven't logged in yet, do that now, and let's move on. Next, once you're logged in, you're going to look for the Websites tab. It's typically located at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on this will display a list of websites you currently have hosted with Hostinger. This step is crucial because it helps you see what projects are under your account and helps you organize them better as you prepare for the transition to WordPress. After you've clicked on Websites, you'll notice an option to Add Website. Go ahead and click on this. This feature lets you create a new project from scratch. It's an essential part of the process as it will host your new WordPress site. When you add a new website, Hostinger prepares a space for your upcoming WordPress installation, ensuring everything can operate smoothly. Now, here's the exciting part. After clicking Add Website, you'll see a selection of different website platforms and hosting options. You're going to click on WordPress. Hostinger offers a seamless integration with WordPress, making it easy for you to start building or migrating a site. By choosing WordPress here, you're tapping into a powerful content management system known for its flexibility and user-friendly interface. WordPress is famous for its extensive customization options, and moving from Hostinger's website builder to WordPress means you'll have access to thousands of plugins and themes, allowing you to design your site exactly how you want. This transition will open up new possibilities for optimizing your website's functionality and aesthetics. Throughout this process, remember to be patient and ensure you're following each step carefully. If you encounter any issues, Hostinger's support team is renowned for being particularly helpful, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. That concludes your quick guide on switching from Hostinger Website Builder to WordPress. It's all about first navigating to your Hostinger homepage, heading to the Websites section, adding a new website, and selecting WordPress as your platform of choice. With these steps, you're well on your way to a successful transition. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips.